Unraveling Idioms, Understanding, Knot the Noose. Hello everyone, today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, knot the noose. Idioms are a key part of mastering any language, and they can be quite intriguing. So, let's unravel the meaning behind this phrase and see how it's used in everyday English. The phrase, knot the noose, might sound a bit ominous at first, but it's important to understand its context and usage in English. A noose is a loop at the end of a rope, often associated with hanging. To knot something means to tie it tightly. So, when combined, the phrase can have a literal meaning related to securing a loop in a rope. However, in idiomatic usage, it often takes on a figurative meaning. It can imply finalizing or securing a dangerous or risky situation. It's used to describe a scenario where someone is making a situation more difficult or perilous for themselves, often without realizing it. Let's look at some examples to understand how this idiom is used in conversations or writing. 1. By ignoring his health warnings, he's only knotting the noose tighter. 2. Here, it means the person is worsening their situation by not paying attention to health concerns. 3. She knew that taking the risky investment was like knotting the noose, but she was ready for the challenge. 4. In this example, it signifies deliberately entering a risky situation, fully aware of the potential dangers. 5. The company was knotting the noose with its controversial policies, alienating its customers. 6. This shows a scenario where actions taken are leading to negative consequences, perhaps unintentionally. While the phrase is expressive, it's important to use it judiciously due to its potentially dark connotations. Here are some tips. Use it sparingly and in contexts where its meaning is clear. It's more appropriate in formal or literary contexts rather than casual conversation. Be aware of the audience and their sensitivity to such expressions. I hope this video helps you understand and use the idiom, knot the noose, in the right context. Remember, idioms are not just phrases. They're windows into the culture and history of a language. Keep exploring and happy learning!